Jai Srimanarayana. 78th sloka of 18th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yatra Yogeshwaraha Krishnaha Yatra Pardho Dhanurdharaha Tatra Srihi Vijayo Bhutihi Dhruvanitihi Matirmama. Om. Realize that. Always remember that. And keep full of your faith in that. Whenever, wherever you read Bhagavad Gita, definitely you will be blessed with fortune, wealth, victory, and you will always carry sound morality. This is an assurance from all the great souls, all of our acharyas. You have to remember this assurance all the time whenever you make any attempt to read Bhagavad Gita. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall realize, I shall always remember, and I shall have full faith, and I shall remember the great high-level assurance given by all the great souls that whenever I read Bhagavad Gita, I shall definitely be blessed with fortune, wealth, victory, and I shall always carry sound morality. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sriman Narayana is born to Aditi as Vamana. And he came to know that tam narmadayaha tate uttare balehe, he came to know that Bali Chakravarti doing his Aswamedha Yagam on the banks of river Narmada and at the place Bhrugu Kacham. So Vamana heading towards that place, while he was walking for every step, because of the weight of Vamana, the Bhumi, the earth is going down. And Vamana reached over there. When he was getting there, Vyachakshata arat uditam yadharavim, he is glowing like the rising sun. When all the Ritviks who were there in that yajnam, they have seen Vamana coming from a distance, and they thought that probably the sun is rising now. To that extent, Vamana is glowing with his effulgence. The moment Vamana entered into that Yajna Bhumi, because of exceeding amount of glow and effulgence of Vamana, all other people's effulgence has gone down significantly. And when they have seen Vamana, they thought, Surya kila ayati utava vibhavasuhu sanat kumaraha adha didrukshaya kratoho sembhundo hariyo payoja bhavundo chandam sundo Vakhniyo dambhakaratavochegakadharanin dhatri surundu yavadi brahmachari. When they have seen Vamana, they started feeling like this, thinking like this. Is this Surya Bhagavan coming to see Yajnam? Is this Agni Bhagavan coming to visit Yajnam? Is this Sanat Kumara coming to join this Yajnam? Or is this Sri Hari or Paramasiva? Like that, they were thinking, and Vismaya Bhrantulai Sambhashinchiri Brahmachari Gani Rahasyambugan. They started feeling so much of surprise to see such a great amount of glow in Vamana. They were getting shocked. They were talking to each other that who is he? Is this Hari? Is this Paramasiva? Or is this Agni? Is this Surya Bhagavan? Like that they were talking to each other when they have seen Vamana. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu. Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarasatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 18th chapter 78th sloka. Yatra yogesvaraha Krishnaha yatra pardho dhanurdharaha tatra srihi vijayo bhutihi dhruvanitihi matirmama. यत्र योगेश्वरः कृष्णो यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्रीर्विजयो भूतिः ध्रुवा नीतिः मतिर्मम. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.